Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of Goan green chicken curry. Wash and chop 1½ boneless chicken breast. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Add 2 teaspoons of green masala. The link of the green masala recipe is in the description. Mix. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. In a mixer jar, add half cup of grated coconut. Add half cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. Grind into a fine paste. Extract the coconut milk. Keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan. Add 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped. Stir. 1/4 capsicum chopped. Stir. Add salt. Stir. Cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Stir in between. Add the marinated chicken. Stir. Cover and let it cook. Peel 4 potatoes. Cut into long strips. Wash it. Add salt. Mix. Add it to the pan. Add water as required. Add 1 green chili slit. Mix. Cover and let it cook. Add 2 tablespoons of green masala. Stir. Add the coconut milk. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix. Cover and let it cook. Check and stir in between. It took me 25 minutes to cook it. Once it is cooked, switch off the flame. Goan green chicken curry is ready. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you do not miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.